How to apply glow-in-the-dark stone and concrete. Glow stones are applied to concrete the same way as any other exposed aggregate decorative finish: rounded stones, seashells, tumbled recycled glass. Before starting, analyze the environment of your project. Do a test with glow stone in the location of your project before installation, to determine if nearby competing light sources will shine on the surface when the sun sets. Light sources like a streetlight or landscape lighting will affect how much your project is able to be seen glowing at night. Step 1. Broadcast the glow stone as you like, over the concrete surface as it is setting up. Step 2. Gently work the stones into the curing concrete with a trowel or Fresno. Step 3. Apply a retarder following the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Let the concrete set and cure. Step 5. Wash off the concrete surface with water following the retarder manufacturer's instructions. Tip: when using a sealant, make sure it does not have UV protection. Now your glow stones are able to charge in the sunlight and glow beautifully at night. For questions, more information, or to buy the best glowing products on the market, we are here to help. glowpathtechnology.com, 833-456-7284.